Hi everybody, I'm Sandy Sandler and I'm the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Now we're going to do a little table setting, and I'm going to take my mini Bowdabra. Now I've got these pre-cut pieces of, let's see, what is this here? It's a 1.5 inch wide and it's about 10.5 inches long. Now take some of my bow wire, fold it in half. So I'm gonna fold this in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm just going to push this in. We're just gonna make a whole bunch of tails. And it's just so super simple. And Manon, thank you so much for joining it. Oh, one more to put in. And then I've got, let's see, this is 8 inches long and about 3 inches wide. And again, I've already dovetailed. Most of you know how to dovetail, but just in case you don't, what we do is we fold the ribbon in half and just cut from the corner at a diagonal towards the fold. So now I'm just gonna stick this down in here. And I'm gonna now, oh, I can dovetail this side here also. Or no, that's not for this, that's for my other bow. I'm mixing bows. So now I'm gonna take this one in here. Something looked funny there. And then we have all these petals. We're actually gonna make a little flower. And the petals are 4 inches long. And to make the petals, we just cut a circular at the end of the petals. We left this one frayed on purpose so it looks like a natural flower. And all I'm gonna do is just lay these in. One of the tricks to making flowers in the Bowdabra is to use wired ribbon. So Brandy, Brenda, oh my gosh, Jeannie, you guys, thank you so much. Whoops, wrong side. Thank you so much for joining me. It means so much to me that you guys take your Monday evening and join me. So now I have a 2x2 piece of this little mesh. Just gonna scrunch it in here. And now I'm just gonna scrunch everything down. And I think this would be really pretty on a, oh my goodness. I'm thinking of the word and my mind isn't going. The plate that you, oh my gosh, I know, like the word is at the tip of my tongue. A charger. This would be really pretty on a charger. On your table, you can put them on at everybody's place setting and type that. And then now, one of the tricks, because these, for the petals we use wire, just kind of push everything up, move it around, and let's see, so now, and you have this really pretty, and that will look so pretty just on a plate, on a charger on your table. It's like so simple, but it's just these little added bits of elegance make such a difference when you're entertaining.